West side, west side, west side,
West, y'all.
west side.
Unboxing the OSD Nero amplifier for your home theater system. Now, I don't have any pre-outs, so I'm going to do what you call cheating. We're going to be doing the ADP 1.2 adapters for if you don't have any pre-outs on your receiver. The receiver I'm hooking it up to is Onkyo 757 receiver. It's a 7.2 receiver without the pre-outs. So what I'm going to do is do some cheating. These have the pre-outs built into it, and to do is run the speaker wire into the app itself and run your speaker wires into the amplifier. So it basically tricks the receiver to thinking that you have a pre-out. So we're going to be doing that, and once I get hooked up, I'll show you how to do it, how to implement it, and it saves you for buying another receiver if you really like your receiver. Like I really like my receiver. It's great. It has Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, Dolby, all the sound formats except I think it doesn't have the IMAX. It doesn't have the IMAX. So if you don't care about that, most DVDs and 4K Blu-rays and all your streaming apps is going to be mostly Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. Same thing with your 4K Blu-rays, and of course your gaming consoles. Going to be those sound formats anyway. So IMAX is, certain movies has it. Certain, I think Disney Plus had a few Netflix movies have the IMAX enhanced, but it's not necessary to go ahead and get a receiver as of yet to get those formats, unless you have a, like if you have a dedicated theater room, that would be cool. But this is a home theater. This is like the home theater for my living room. So if I get a dedicated home theater room, then I'll upgrade my receiver, of course. But this is just for me to enjoy my living room with my 5.2 setup. But I could daisy chain it and make it a 7.2, because you always could daisy chain these speaker wires and make it and add up as many speakers as you want. Just got daisy chain them. And of course you got an app to handle all the power rating. So it's better to, I always recommend to get a power app to get more, especially for your front stage, your front and your front right and your center speakers. That should be the most power. The surrounds could be mid-range power. So I'll hook it up and I'll make another video about it. All right, what's y'all? Okay, so I got it out of the box. So you got the unbalanced and you got balance. Whatever your preference is, I choose unbalanced. So I'll be running unbalanced. And here's the back of the receiver. Those are your triggers. Those are your triggers right there. Pretty clean receiver. And it'll give you about 240 watts. I believe if you run at 4 ohms, about 180 watts if you're running 8 ohms. Depends on your speakers. You know, you got your 4 ohms, 8 ohm speakers, whatever you're running, it should surely power it up. But you will usually use these for your front stage. So I usually just use this for the front stage and let the receiver power the backstage. I don't know. I haven't decided what I want to do, but it's definitely the front stage now. I'll probably get some stronger speaker for my backstage. But got some 80-watt clips right here. They're not too strong. They're about 80 watts, so I'm gonna upgrade that before I think about putting an app to it, because it's only 80 watts total in power, so I want to blow them out. Want to have at least about, something that's about 100 watts to 200 watts, so it could probably do 100 watts RMS. So I get this bad boy hooked up, and one of the cheat ADP adapters to it, and we'll be rock and rolling. All right, well, y'all. This is all wired up to the receiver. That's your my front stage, my left and right front stage tower speakers, along with my center channel into the adapters. This is the what they call it, an adapter if you don't have any components in the back of your receiver. So it's all wired up, and once I get it powered in, I'll make another video. All right. Okay, it's all wired in, as you can see. So remember, when you get these converters, you want to wire the speaker into the app, and then the converter goes into your receiver. The stuff that goes out goes into your receiver. So initially, all you're doing is running your speaker into the actual app itself, and your receiver is into the converters. So that's it. So we'll test this bad boy out, and I just wanted to show you how to do it. There's other YouTubers out there that can show you how to do it as well, but I'm just showing you a quick way, fast, easy.